In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on Zalando. Whether you're eagerly awaiting the delivery of those new shoes or simply want to track your shopping history, this process is straightforward and simple. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Zalando website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL www.zalando. When the page loads, you'll be greeted with their homepage showcasing everything Zalando has to offer, from the latest fashion trends to exciting deals. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so to access your order information. Your login credentials will typically be your email address and password that you used at the time of registration. Once you're logged in, the real fun begins. The next step is to click on the Orders section. You'll typically find this option in the main navigation menu, often represented by a small icon or simply the word Orders. Once found, give it a click. This section is your gateway to all things related to your purchases. In this area, Zalando provides a comprehensive list of your orders, detailing everything you've purchased. This is a fantastic feature for keeping track of your spending, planning your wardrobe, or even confirming when certain items were bought. As you peruse this section, you'll notice details such as order dates, total amounts, and specific items in each order. This is handy when you're trying to match receipts with clothing items or simply reminiscing about a past shopping spree. For each order, there's an option to click and view further details. This will provide a deeper look at your order status, which is particularly useful if you are waiting for a delivery. Zalando also allows you the convenience of tracking your shipment directly from this area. Once you've accessed the details of a specific order, you should find a tracking link that guides you to the current status of your delivery. Here's a tiny tip: always keep an eye on this, especially if you're anticipating a package around a specific date, like for an event or a gift. Sometimes issues do crop up, such as delayed deliveries or item discrepancies. Should you encounter any such bumps, don't hesitate to reach out to Zalando's customer service. They're usually quite responsive and eager to resolve any issues to maintain customer satisfaction. And there you have it. Checking your orders on Zalando is a smooth and manageable process. With just a few clicks, you can stay informed about your purchases and their delivery status. Happy shopping! And I hope this guide helps make your Zalando experience even more enjoyable.